Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Siani, and today I'm doing my nails. As you can see, my nails are very long. And it truly is a sad day when I have to cut nails as long as these. I think this is the longest I've ever had my nails. And it got to the point where my typing had a lot of spelling errors, and just the sensitivity of my fingertips was starting to hurt and just feel really weird. Like the sensation of the tip rubbing on things, it was like rubbing styrofoam together, nails on a chalkboard. Ooh, pulling out plastic straw out of a plastic lid. Please use reusable straws. Oh, sometimes the metal's even worse. But on the bright side, I get to go bowling now. You know how like sometimes plans don't make it out of the group chat? I literally had to like tell them like, hey, what are we doing today? Because I don't want to actually cut my nails as short as I need for bowling and then not go bowling. Do you know how upsetting that would be? Bowling is the only thing I will cut my nails for. And I keep a nail kit on me when I go bowling because I am liable to break a nail still. I am going to put an extra layer of gel to make it stronger. So, I would like to know, when I do these nail videos, are these angles working for you guys? Or does anybody have any suggestions of what angles work best for filming nail content? Because I really feel like that's what I can contribute to this YouTube space. And I want to, but every time I film the nail stuff, I'm like, I don't like how this looks. I don't like the angle. But it's just, you have such a capture this one moment, or else it's gone forever kind of thing. And it's just, it's tiring doing your nails all the time. Like, I love doing my nails all the time, and I do them all the time, but it is tiring doing them all the time. I just want to know if anybody has any ideas about how to make filming nail content easier. Sometimes when you do your nails, you don't have the energy to make a complicated creative design. So you just gotta slap something on there, and this is what I'm doing. I never swatched the magnetic polishes that came in my Mooncat collection, and so I'm swatching Apparition and actually using the magnetivity of it to create like a effect. And I don't know, I don't think I'm very good with magnetic polishes, but you know, practice makes perfect, and I'm learning that it's okay to not be perfect every day. I'm just messing around, trying to figure out what angle I want to attack it from. So yeah, fun facts about me. I've been bowling since I was 8. I was on my varsity bowling team at my first high school as a freshman, and I truly believe that if I did not move schools, that I would have been captain eventually. Like, I would have got a Letterman. Shattered dreams. Yeah, I took a bowling class in college. That was a lot of fun. I could get 5 games in a 50-minute period. I was the only girl in that class, so it was tough, you know, but I had to hold the fort down and show those guys that I was indeed better than every single one of them. And I remember we had this one tournament, and so I had bowled, got the lead, and then the other guy, he kept bowling until he he wanted to keep the other guy next to me. He wanted to keep bowling until he beat me. And I was like, okay, cool, friendly competition, yay, whatever. It wasn't friendly on his part, I don't think. But it's... So he just bowled until he beat me. Eventually he did. But I was still going the entire time. I was just bowling games just to try to beat my own score. I finished out my game just in time for class to end, and it ends up beating him. Thus, I won. You really thought you could beat me? You were that infuriated as a big white man that you were losing to a black woman at that. Cause like, it didn't feel very nice, even if you take racism out of it. Like, it was sexism. I mean, the teacher, he was pretty cool. He was very much like, yo, anybody can bowl, and there's many ways of how to bowl. Doesn't matter if you're disabled, you can bowl. Like, he was really trying to like encourage people to bowl. And so like, I firmly felt like he was on my side. He had my back during a lot of things. You could feel the vibe, and it wasn't positive. Sometimes on tournament days, they just couldn't lose with grace. So I have to win with grace. It's so hard. It's so hard to win with grace. Winning, that's the easy part. Winning with grace, that's work every day. I don't know what happened from here to the finished results. So I did a base coat. No base coat because I did gel. And then, so I have one layer of polish on top of my gel. And then I magnetized that. Then I did another layer and I magnetized it in roughly the same spot. And then I put my top coat on, and the sparkles disappear. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. They don't look bad in general, but they look bad when I tell you that this is a magnetic polish. There's no cat eye, you know? So I'm going to make it my mission to actually make it work, because I did this with another with some Holo Taco magnetic polishes for the birthday collection, and I had the cat eye there, or at least I remember. I don't remember the final result looking this bad, but I can't really remember what they actually looked like. So yeah, we're gonna go on a magnetic adventure. It was really nice catching up with a friend and being back in my element. Also, he was practicing, so like, he put up a fight a couple of times, but ultimately it was no use. I'm working on not getting too tied up with winning, but bowling is my personality, but it's not my whole personality, but it's a big part. And I want to be able to do it with others and enjoy it with others, especially when they actually give me some good competition, because then there's a higher chance to lose, but good competition is good competition.